Are you tired of ads popping up every time you open an app on your Android phone? Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to block ads completely. No apps to install, no complicated setup. But what if I tell you there's a built-in setting in your phone that can block most of the ads? And the best part is you don't need to install anything from the Play Store. Let's start. First of all, you need to go to setting. Then here you can see more connectivity option. Then you can see private DNS. If you don't find more connectivity option in your phone, you can configure where private DNS is located. You can simply search here private, or you can simply search here DNS in your phone, and you can see private DNS and click here private DNS provider hostname. Then write here dns.adguard.com, then click save. So yeah, that's how you can block all the ads on your Android phone using a simple built-in setting. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. If this video helps you in any way, just simply like on the video